All right, folks, this is the one. This is the one where students get lazy, and I beg you, do not skip this step. Don't skip it. All right, so we have dividing mixed numbers with negatives. So I have negative 2/3 divided by 2 and 1/4. This is the step kids always try to skip. Just rewrite it now as negative 2/3 divided by, this is an improper fraction, would be 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 over 4. Now that I've rewritten it as proper fraction and improper fraction, or just, no mixed numbers, now you can rewrite it as negative 2/3 times the reciprocal, which is 4/9. All right. I'm going to say it now, and I fear that some people are going to get ideas from this, so I say this very carefully. Many students try to go straight from this step to this step. That's the world's worst arrow. There you go. There's my arrow. All right. So I'm not an artist. Get over it. So students will go from here and they'll write negative 2/3. They'll change the division to a multiplication, and then they'll do this. And I'm telling you, this right here is the cause of most mistakes for dividing fractions. Don't skip this step. It doesn't take that long. It took me about 30 times as long to talk about it as it does to actually not do it. Just so you know what's going on right now, I'm actually watching the Yankees Boston game and seeing a fight. Oh wait, must have been a replay. Ah, whatever. Sorry guys. My little buddy Sam is back. Hi Sam, say hi to everybody. Goo goo. All right. So, can I simplify anything? 2 and 3, no. 2 and 9, no. 4 and 3, nope. 4 and 9, no. So, I have a negative times a positive, which makes the answer a negative. My numerator is 2 times 4, which is 8. My denominator is 3 times 9, which is 27. And negative 8 over 27 is the answer. Sorry for what I was talking about before. I'm sitting here on a Saturday night making math videos because that's how cool Mr. Lipkovsky has become as I'm watching the Yankees, who I hate, playing the Red Sox, who I don't care about, on TV. All right, let's do the next video, or next problem. Negative 5.5 divided by negative 4.5. So negative 5.5 becomes negative 10 plus 1 is 11 over 2, divided by, this is negative 4.5 is 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so that's 9 over 2. So I have a negative divided by a negative. Now I'm going to rewrite it as negative 11.5, or 11 over 2, excuse me, times the reciprocal, which is negative 2/9. All right. Now I have a negative times a negative is going to give me a negative answer. Can I simplify anything? Let's see. 11 and 2, nope. 11 and 9, nope. 2 and 2, yes. Oh, I already noticed a mistake, guys. A negative times a negative is going to be a positive answer. Sorry about that. All right, now back to what we were doing. Can't simplify here, can't simplify there, but I can simplify 2 and 2. 2 goes into itself once, 2 goes into itself once, multiply across, and I'm going to get, I meant to go back to red for that. Okay, that's my fraction bar. My numerator is 11 times 1, which is 11. My denominator is 1 times 9, which is 9. 11 ninths. All right, let's go to the next two problems. 5 over negative 8 divided by 1 and 3/7. So 5 over negative 8, I'm just going to leave the whole fraction negative, so that would be 5/8. And I can do that because a positive divided by a negative makes the whole fraction a negative. And now I'm going to rewrite this division, and now I'm going to make it an improper fraction. So 7 plus 3 is 10/7. Now that I rewrote it, now is when I can change it to a multiplication of the reciprocal, which is 7/10. All right, so this is a negative times a positive, which is a negative. 5 and 10 simplified to 1 and 2. And can I simplify anything else? I cannot. So go back to the red. Numerator is 1 times 7, which is 7. Denominator is 8 times 2, which is 16. So my answer is negative 16 over 7. Actually, I want to go back for a moment, just show you something. This is a negative divided by a positive, makes the final answer a negative. This is a negative divided by a negative, which makes the final answer a positive. This one is a negative divided by a positive, which makes the final answer a negative. And the last one is going to be a negative divided by a negative, which will make the final answer positive. So you can, when you're dividing mixed numbers, you can determine the sign before you even do it. And then this goes back to what you guys did in earlier grades. So 2 over 3. I'm going to even ignore the signs now because I already know the answer is going to be positive. 2 over 3 divided by 1 times 7 is 7 plus 2 is 9 over 7. Now I'm going to rewrite that as 2 over 3, change the division to a multiplication, and we're going to change 9/7 to 7/9. Okay. Now, can I simplify 2 and 3? Nope. 2 and 9? Nope. 7 and 3? Nope. 7 and 9? No. So I can do my multiplication now across the numerators. 2 times 7 is 14. My denominator, 3 times 9 is 27. And there is my answer. And Sam, what do you think of my video? Sam's sitting here, like, right next to me saying, what do you think of fractions?
I don't even know if it's right or not because I don't do it.
Yeah, you don't even know it's right or not, because what grade are you in, buddy?
First.
You're in 1st grade. You know what grade I'm in?
7th and 6th.
7th. All right, high five, buddy. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video.